Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create an org chart in Google Sheets. So first, go to your Google Sheets account, and in here I have this data which contains the employee, their name and their role, and also to whom they reports to. So once you have those data, what you need to do is to highlight them, and once highlighted, on the upper ribbon, click on this Insert button, and then from the drop down, go and choose on Chart. Now on the right panel, under the chart type, click on the drop down menu, then scroll down until you see this organizational chart option. So go ahead and choose that. And there you have it. You have now your organizational chart. In the right panel, make sure that you check this Use Row 1 as a header option so that it won't show in your chart. Now if you go to the Customize section and then click on Org, here you can change your chart's size from small, medium, and to large. Now you can also change the node color. You can choose a color according to your liking. Then if you go to selected node color, you can also change that so that when you click on one name or one data from your chart, it will change to that color that you chose. And that's just basically it. That's how you make an organizational chart in Google Sheets. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.